One sunny morning, Robbi was having the best time playing in the park. But then, oh, what's that? A little puppy, hiding and trembling. "Hey there, little one," Robbi whispered kindly. Robbi held out a tiny piece of his sandwich. The puppy sniffed it. Sniff, sniff. Then, woof! He wagged his tail and took a bite. A new friendship had just begun. Robbi looked around and said, "Oh no, you don't have a collar. You must be lost." Buddy tilted his head. "Woof? Don't worry." Robbi smiled. "We'll find your family together." So the two best friends marched down the street, Robbi with his brave heart, and Buddy with his wagging tail. They asked everyone, "Have you seen this puppy?" But nobody knew. Then Robbi saw something, muddy paw prints. "Look, Buddy, maybe these will lead us home." The forest looked big and quiet, but Robbi held Buddy's paw and said, "Let's be brave together." Raindrops began to fall. Pitter, patter. "Quick, Buddy, under the tree." They huddled close and giggled. When the rain stopped, a giant rainbow painted the sky. "Wow," Robbi said, "that means good luck." Just then, a gentle voice shouted, "Buddy, Buddy!" The puppy's ears perked up. Woof! He ran as fast as he could into his owner's arms. She smiled with tears of joy. "Thank you, young man. You found my Buddy."
Yeah!
"Goodbye, Buddy," Robbi whispered, hugging his furry friend tight. Buddy licked his cheek, slurped, and wagged his tail.
Yeah!
"See you soon, pal," Robbi smiled. The next morning, guess who came running? Buddy. Woof, woof. Robbi laughed and tossed the red ball again. Two best friends, together at last. Robbi learned that kindness and courage can turn strangers into friends. Always help others. You never know when you might find your very own Buddy.